Paris is one of those cities everyone thinks they already know. The Eiffel Tower, croissants, romance. But what if I told you Paris is also gritty, creative, chaotic, elegant, and deeply personal, depending on how you experience it? In this video, I'm sharing 10 of the best things to do in Paris, from iconic must-sees to moments that make you feel like you actually belong here. Whether it's your first time or your dream return trip, this guide will help you experience Paris the right way. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And I make travel videos to help you plan trips that feel unforgettable, not rushed. Paris is one of the most visited cities in the world, which means it's easy to get overwhelmed or stuck doing only touristy things. So today, I'm breaking down the 10 best things to do in Paris, with tips to help you enjoy them without the stress. All right, let's start where everyone does, but with a twist. Number 1. See the Eiffel Tower, but don't rush it. You can't come to Paris and skip the Eiffel Tower, but how you experience it makes all the difference. Instead of running up, taking one photo, and leaving, slow it down. Visit during sunrise when the city feels calm, or late at night when the tower sparkles every hour. Bring snacks, sit on the grass, watch locals and travelers mix together. This is one of those moments where Paris feels alive, not staged. And honestly, some of the best views are from across the river. Number 2. Wander Montmartre. Like an artist, Montmartre feels like stepping into another era. This neighborhood was once home to artists, writers, and dreamers, and that creative spirit still lingers. Yes, the main square gets busy, but take one wrong turn, and suddenly you're alone on a quiet street with pastel buildings and tiny cafes. Walk slowly, look up, let yourself get lost, and when you reach the top, pause. The view isn't just beautiful, it's emotional. Three. Cruise the Seine at golden hour. If you want to understand Paris in 1 hour, take a Seine River cruise. From the water, the city unfolds naturally. Bridges, landmarks, historic buildings, all flowing together. Golden hour is perfect when the light softens and everything looks cinematic. It's relaxing, romantic, and a great reset if you've been walking all day. Sometimes the best way to explore a city is to sit back and let it come to you. Number 4. Explore the Louvre without burning out. The Louvre is massive, like intimidatingly massive. So don't try to see everything. Choose a few sections you're genuinely excited about and enjoy them fully. Yes, see the Mona Lisa, but don't miss the quiet rooms where you can stand alone with centuries-old art. And even if museums aren't your thing, the architecture alone is worth the visit. This place isn't about checking boxes. It's about curiosity. Number 5. Eat everything and take your time. Food in Paris isn't rushed, and neither should you be. Start your morning with a croissant so flaky it leaves crumbs everywhere. Grab a crepe from a street stand. Sit at a cafe. Order one drink and stay for an hour. And here's the secret. Don't chase famous places. Small bakeries and local spots often deliver the most unforgettable meals. In Paris, eating isn't just fuel, it's culture. Number 6. Walk the Champs-Élysées to the Arc. Walking the Champs-Élysées feels dramatic, especially as the Arc slowly grows in front of you. But the real payoff comes when you climb to the top. From here, Paris spreads out in every direction, with streets radiating like a star. Sunset is incredible, but even during the day, this view puts the city into perspective. It's loud, busy, beautiful, and unmistakably Paris. Number 7. Spend an afternoon in Le Marais. Le Marais is effortlessly cool. Historic buildings sit next to trendy shops, art galleries, and some of the best food in the city. You can shop, eat, explore museums, or just wander without a plan. This neighborhood feels lived in, stylish, and creative, without trying too hard. If Paris had a hangout district, this would be it. Number 8. Soak in the atmosphere around Notre-Dame. Even from the outside, Notre-Dame is breathtaking. Walk around the cathedral, cross nearby bridges, and spend time by the riverbanks. Early morning and evening are especially peaceful here. This area feels timeless, like Paris whispering its history to you. Number 9. Experience Paris after dark. Paris at night is a completely different city. The lights glow warmer. The streets feel more intimate. Street musicians play. Couples stroll. The river reflects everything. Take an evening walk with no destination. Some of the most magical Paris moments happen when you're not trying to capture them. Just live them. Number 10. Slow down and live like a local. This is the most important thing you can do in Paris. Slow down. Sit longer. Walk more. Observe everything. Paris isn't about rushing from landmark to landmark. It's about moments in between. Those quiet streets, cafe pauses, and unplanned discoveries are what stay with you long after you leave. And that's my take on the 10 best things to do in Paris. But honestly, this city is endless. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more travel guides, and tell me in the comments, what's the one thing you're most excited to do in Paris? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.